Hello guys, for today's video, oh my goodness, I'm just so excited once again because mag-react tayo again for more set live performance of My Days at Wish 107.5, The Notebook, the musical PH by Middle Alley. Yes, I'm just really excited for this one, and this is just a fan coming up and understand the quality of the video and the quality of the audio. Thank you so much for understanding, and I'm just excited because it's been a while that I didn't react for more sets. That's why I'm just really excited once again to react her because she is amazing artist and one of the best, singer. Let's go.
Where am I? Where am I going? Is it somewhere that I want to go? And when I get there, stop at the gate. Or is it somewhere I already know? Sometimes
This is so good. So, I think na-react ko na to. If I'm not mistaken, sa ibang event performance for Morrissey. I'm not so sure.
I feel like I cry without a noise. Sometimes I feel like somebody shares my joy.
Grabe, expected Morrissey yan eh. Sobrang ganda. Like, this is a Disney song. I think so, yeah. This is a Disney song. It's a beautiful song. And Morrissey, just sing it. So cool.
Pang Disney kasi daw yung ano yan. Sige, maganda yung mga
When I was younger, I could hear it, but it's back. It's nice now. Sometimes I feel like I've lost my only voice, but then I realize only I can choose my joy. I have to run away. I have to sit and stay.
The powers that holds more is that it's easy for her. She's so good. Like yung power, yung boses na, yung grabe.
I wanna live a life where I'm allowed to say that I'm proud of the way that I spend my days these days.
Love it.
Ever
Ganda din ng areglong song na to. Ang ganda ng areglo ng song na to.
get a taste to dream and taste to lose. I just need to choose.
Oh my god, that was insane. That high note. Wow. For real, oh my goodness, Maury. Grabe naman, Maury. Oy. ginagalingan talaga eh. Grabe, as always, 'pag si Mori talaga, bakulaw yan. Sobrang bakulaw. Oh my goodness, that was insane. That was one of the best ever. Wow. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. Because I'm so much enjoying and entertained and blown away once again for Mars. Thank you. I hope you continue to support her. And so much appreciative support my channel also. Thank you po. Mag-ingat po tayo palagi.